Welcome to this new video. Today I will show you how I trade with Pocket Option. I'm already on the platform and I'm waiting for a nice trade. I will show you how I do this, and I'm in the pound US dollar. We are in a very interesting area at the moment, the 1.307, and yeah, I will try to trade here a long trade in a second. I'm just waiting for the finish of this candle, because we see this is a downtrend, and this support area here I will mark it for you. Maybe the market breaks through it, so we have a look on it. And we can make this breakout, a short breakout here, or a long trade, just waiting for the sign to go in here. But it doesn't look good. I will show you that for a long trade with a trend line. So we are very short here, and we clearly see this. And yeah, this can be a breakout now. I will go in here. I will take this risk. Oh, I'm just wrong. And yeah, I got in here with $1. You see this here. And yeah, I just didn't change this investment amount. But now I'm in here with two trades, short trades, and we will have a look. I think this will be a good breakout here. You see it clearly, the trend is down, and yeah, we can use it for a short trade. Just wait, and the market comes back. That's not so good, but we have another chance to do this here. So the market goes down, up, down on this area. So at this particular moment, yeah, there comes a breakout. And there comes a breakout. You see this small red line. This is my entry, and 10 seconds left. Is it in the win? Yes, it is in the win. And in 4 seconds, yeah, we should got it. Got the money, win the money. You see my money, and now the market goes very high. This can happen, but yeah, it was not so nice trade. I have to say, with luck I won this trade. I think it was only luck. Yeah, let's wait for another sign to go in here. What we see now here, a very hard spike in the market. Let's just wait this candle. And if it makes here a very strong pin, I will go short again here. Okay, this looks very nice, and I can go short in a second. Yeah, I go again here, short. You see my entry here, very fast entry with Pocket Option. There are no legs or something else in the live account. You see another $100, 80% yield at this moment, return of investment, and I can earn this $180, 30 seconds. So this is a very short-term trade, because I'm using here M1. I'm trading in the M1 chart. And let's have a look. Okay, the market doesn't go in my direction. It goes up. So it seems like a lost trade. This is not so good. So the support here is still strong. Yeah, I'm losing this trade. No problem. We will have a look on the other charts. Or we go along here. Yeah, I will go along here with a double investment. You see, I said 2 times. $100 because I want to make a profit. The last trade was a loss. I will show you that. And I go in with a double investment. You see, this is very strong. My first idea of trading, I will mark it for you. I said it will go through here, make a breakout, but it didn't happen because of the lower highs. The support area is still strong, and now I'm trading up. So you have to be flexible as trader, as you know, and I make this trade here. Long trade, easy trade. This was a good decision to go long here, and I made the win. We are totally in the win today. Yes. Okay, the market goes up. This is still a strong support area, as we can see here. Still a strong support area. Let's have a look on the other chart, like the Euro US dollar. If we can trade here, it's still in the long trend. It's still here. I don't want to trade this. Go to the pound US dollar. Yeah, still a strong support area here. And in the 5-minute chart we are downwards. In downtrend. But on the 1-minute chart it's a support area here below. Okay, I don't find another trade. We have to wait here. If you aren't sure of trades, you can you just wait. Okay, this is a very good trade. I go in here. This is a very good trade. I go in US dollar Japanese. The market drops like a rock, and now the correction is done here. Maybe I got the wrong entry again, and I should have waited for the pullback. You see this, I will show you that with marks in the chart. Okay, this was not a good decision for me because the market is dropping there. But you see this, here's a support area if you go left. And I will go in here again. 2 times. I will go in. 82% return of investments. I'll go in again. This is a classical correction of the chart. If you see this, if it goes very fast, you go against it. The market will correct it the most of the time. And here you see a strong support area. So this trade looks very good at the moment. Maybe I will draw it for you. Here is support. Where the market comes down, it makes this big candle, and we are in the win. That's how I do it. I only use support and resistance in the chart combined. And if you want, just join our Telegram group, link in the description below. And I will show you more trades. It's very easy. It's very easy. So I made a good profit today. So some trades are in the win. These trades are in the win. Euro US dollar, I couldn't trade this. Let's have a look on the pound again. Okay, still the support area in control. But nothing to do here. This was very nice. We could go in here, and go, if I watched this chart in the past, I would go in here. This is very clear. I show you this in a screenshot. You see it breaks through here, makes this pin candle here, and you just go up. You just go long. So easy trade. It can't be easier to trade this. Okay? Can't be easier. 1, 2 trades in the win and you are fine. Okay, this was my short video. I will finish today for trading with pocket option. Subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up, and yeah, leave me a comment what you think about this strategy. And we see us in the next video. Goodbye.